Eurographic Group, and we are Danish print house, Danish company, production only in Poland. So this is main activity, and our production is everything is here located in Poland. And we have also some sales office in Sweden. And this is our group today. 2 years ago, we started thinking about the investment also in the folding box production. And then part of this investment today is the Highcon investment. We can compete in the fast setup, fast production, and fast delivery. So if we can produce faster, even 10–20% doesn't matter. Yeah, that's why it's beam-free is very interesting from this point of view. Yeah, of course, other elements like the better quality of the adjustment of the sheets and the better quality of the creasing and so on. This is very nice feature, but still on the Beam 2, this is good enough. This is not something what is bad. It is good actually. Yeah. So of course, always if we can go on the higher level of the quality of the better performance and so on, it's always good. So that's why from this perspective, beam-free can be a very good solution and much better solution than the older machine. Yeah.